Honestly, this is not jollof. It's not. No. It looks like jollof. If maybe you want to lie some children in the house, say, hey, this is jollof. I've made jollof for you. Fine.
The 5 ingredients I'm using for this recipe are jasmine rice, curry powder, chicken stock, mackerel in tomato sauce, and chili pepper. I think they will sort of correspond with the other ingredients perfectly, and making jollof rice with 5 ingredients is more or less like a difficult task.
I think it's going to work, but allow me to switch, no verse.
Yes, it will work because we are using mackerel, and the mackerel also has tomato sauce on it. So we are going to use that tomato sauce to prepare the jollof, which it will work because so far there is sauce, you can prepare jollof.
I don't think it'll work because you see jollof is like the base.
Jollof needs sauce, and then because of the mackerel, it has sauce, and it's going to taste good and give it a different flavor.
Everything I do works, so.
I have my doubts, so no, I don't think it will work.
So maybe it will be omoniangwa, with some like a little color. But
the normal one I know is Nigerian jollof and Ghana jollof. I know how it tastes, but this one is quite different, so I don't know how it's going to come out, but I'll give it a try.
This one, it's going to look like bleached jollof.
I believe in it because I know it's going to work, so I'm ready to eat it with you 100% to the last.
I go chop on now, as a normal Nigerian girl.
Oh yeah, of course, because I like food.
Money no be problem.
can you do part payment?
No.
Oh.
Oh, don't worry, I'll pay. But if it's nice to, yeah.
You are not invited.
Oh,
You just take.
okay.
jollof is ready. I am not gonna do the tasting and tell you what it tastes like or looks like. I'm gonna let the team do the tasting and the judging. And hint, I think it's amazing because it looks good, smells good, and it tastes good.
It smells nice and it looks nice also.
It doesn't smell like the normal jollof because of the mackerel, but it has a nice flavor.
I can smell perfume rice. Different from Nigerian jollof. Number one.
It doesn't smell like jollof, but it looks like jollof.
It looks good and it smells good. I mean,
Okay, the color is close to jollof color.
I just hope it tastes like jollof.
I like the way the rice is separated. Like I like my jollof single.
Actually, it has like color like you use normal tomatoes in making it. So I think it's going to taste nice.
Let's. Honestly, this is not jollof. It's not. No.
Oh my god, it's like you're eating actual jollof. Like you use tomatoes in making it.
Moist, very soft, nice, tasty.
Like I'm tasting pepper, mackerel sauce. I don't know if it's.
yeah, it tastes like jollof. Like not the everyday, you know, like 10-10 jollof, but yeah.
You know, jollof is made of like there's certain things you want when they say jollof. You know that okay, I'll get this taste, I'll get this flavor. But I'm just tasting pepper, mackerel, and rice.
It's nicer than rice and stew, but it doesn't give me that jollof feeling.
Yes, for a jollof made with like only 5 ingredients, this is like really, really good.
It tastes nice. So there's no doubt like using mackerel in making jollof rice is going to be perfect.
I'll teach my Nigerian people this style, Sha. This is an easy way to make another jollof.
I'm going to give it 10 because like you're eating jollof, so 10 over 10.
On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give it 10.
This is not jollof, but the taste on a scale of 1 to 10, I mean 8. It tastes good. You can use it as an alternative for jollof.
8.5, 8.
I'll give it 8. You know, I'll give it, yeah.
From now on, I'm going to stop eating maybe beef or meat, which I'll start using fish in making my jollofs.
No, I did not add any ingredients. I just stick to the 5 ingredients because I wanted to stay true to myself and challenge myself to make sure I could deliver properly. So yeah, I did not add any ingredients. I'd pair this jollof recipe with a delicious coleslaw or salad, any type of salad, because I would want to have some crunch in it and also balance the meal, you know, a bit of vegetables and the rice and the fish.